We're now into chilly mornings and cooler evenings, and I'm in the mood for a hot, creamy pumpkin spice latte. Let's get started. I've measured out about 2 cups of pumpkin pie filling. To that, I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and that's 14 ounces. And then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to mix that a little bit with a spatula, and then I'm going to use my stick hand blender. And if you don't have one of these, you really should think about getting one. I love mine. I don't remember what I paid. I've had it for a while, but yeah, I know it was under $20. So this just takes all of the lumps out of your mixture. It just takes a minute, and then you don't have to worry about any lumps at all. It's just smooth and creamy. And it's very easy cleanup as well. I've already brewed some coffee as well, just a little bit stronger than I normally would do. And I'm going to go ahead and put a 1/4 cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of the pumpkin pie mixture into a bowl, and I'm going to put that in a microwave for about a minute. While that's heating up in the microwave, I will go ahead and pour myself about 8 ounces of coffee. And after this is hot, I'll mix it in with the cup of coffee and stir that around a little bit. And then, of course, I'm going to put some whipped cream on top. And I will sprinkle some cinnamon on top of that. Or I may actually just sprinkle that with some pumpkin pie spice. Either way, I should have used a bigger mug though. I tend to overdo it on the whipped cream, as you can see. This recipe made quite a bit of latte mix, so just put it in a container with an airtight lid and stick it in the refrigerator for a latte anytime you are in the mood. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.